Sections of cylinders. Section plane inclined to the base. A cylinder of 40 mm diameter, 60 mm height and having its axis vertical is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP, inclined at 45 degrees to the HP and intersecting the axis 32 mm above the base. Draw its front view, sectional top view, sectional side view and true shape of the section. As the cylinder has no edges, a number of lines representing the generators may be assumed on its curved surface by dividing the base circle into, say, 12 equal parts. Name the points at which these lines are cut by the VT. In the top view, these points lie on the circle and hence the same circle is the top view of the section. The width of the section at any point, say C', will be equal to the length of the chord C1 in the top view. The true shape of the section may be drawn around the center line AG drawn parallel to VT as shown. It is an ellipse, the major axis of which is equal to the length of the section plane, that is A', G' and the minor axis equal to the diameter of the cylinder, that is D1. Project the sectional side view as shown. The section will be seen as a circle because the section plane makes 45 degrees angle with XY.